This is a video about asking myself some personal questions. I was a pretty good club racer back in the 90s, but that was 30 years ago. At nearly 60 years of age, could I still ride a fast motorbike on a racetrack, or would I just be an embarrassment? And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you how much this experiment all cost me. From London to Texas, you are watching Sir Patrick Bikes. The CBR600RR is all loaded up. Car is all loaded up. I think I've got everything, although I've probably forgotten something. On the way to Crescent near Dallas. So check out the Airbnb where I'm staying. Big houses on big lots. Sun's just going down. It's a bit it's a bit cooler up here than in Houston, which is nice. So check it out. It's quite nice. So it's a part, the people who own it, obviously it's a part of their house. This must be their laundry room, and then this would be their office. I've just had some Chipotle. And it's 2 bedrooms. 1 bedroom there. And 1 bedroom there. And then it's got quite a nice bathroom. If you ever watch Aquaholic, he always waves at himself. The yacht channel Aquaholic, go and check that out. And it's got, so that's the bath and shower. So yeah, pretty good. So I've just got to decide which bed to sleep in. Cool. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Got up at 5:30. Just loaded up the car. Trying to be a bit quiet. But I was awake at 3:30 a.m. and that's because I'm just so excited about going on my track day today. It's a bit like that feeling when you're a kid, you know, when it's like Christmas night, and it's nice to have those feelings when you're an adult, isn't it? Sunrise now. This is the overview of the paddock at MSR Crescent. So earlier on in the year, about February or March, I did take the CBR out for a track day, but it was absolutely freezing cold, and I don't really count it. And I also had problems with the bike. The fuel line started leaking, and this guy came over to give me a hand to fix it. And lo and behold, there he was at the track day at Crescent too. So it was super nice to see Chris's friendly face. Chris told me that he'd driven 6 hours to get to the circuit and slept in his car. There were 6 30-minute sessions, about 3 hours total riding on the track, which is more than enough. During the morning sessions, I just took it easy, got my bearings on the track. So here we are looking at one of the afternoon sessions, and I'm picking up the pace a little bit. I'm feeling good, and the bike is handling really well. It's much faster than my 1992 CBR600R2 that I used to race. And my riding's coming along as well, and I had a good battle with this guy and eventually got past him. I think, oh yeah, I'm going pretty well here. But then, look at this instructor, he comes flying past me and I can't keep up with him. And I start getting annoyed with myself, but then I have to remind myself that it's my first time on a decent bike on a warm day on a racetrack for 30 years, so I didn't think I did too bad really. So I answered my question and I wasn't embarrassing. Looking forward to the next one. There's another one in October. So here's how much I spent. And check out the other videos on the channel to see how I fund it. So I paid $4,000 for the CBR. The leathers were $500 and the crash helmet was $430. The track day itself only cost me $130 for the fee. plus $110 in gas, and that includes the bike, and I only spent about $50 on food. Now the Airbnb didn't cost me anything because I had a voucher. So please join me on this journey of motorbike track rediscovery. Thank you so much for watching.